Attorney General.
Okay.
The press conferences in
Yeah.
The documents, the releases.
Yeah.
Just
today, just Saturday on Newsfire, he answered these same questions to Samson Ladi and Yenini on the fact say, isn't it say where ye or more NDC aligned?
Then I'll say
cases every hormone that on the Obed deny say it is never true.
So on what basis? And in
some instances, or admit say some of them are more. Was it a plea bargain or whatever for them to pay some of the monies if it is 100% or 60 to 70% of the they are jackets.
No, that I remember in one of his releases and press conferences. Or can I say empona wo abanda dani mu wadi o mani sika sika bi enam nsase awura ba bi eni se wura no bra na yenye hyehyeye na so this is not a new case, and this has can not be a concrete he say Odebeka say Santi will wipe it off or more affiliate with the NDC.
There I will get maybe not today, but there are other instances. Almost cases a government now withdraw inside free cases now say
you were in power. What did you do to them?
That is why I'm telling you that they were in the process. They were in court.
Okay.
They were in court. You see the wheels of justice grind slowly, but it will surely get to its destination. Okay. It might take it 10 years, 5 years, 2 years, whatever, depending on the case. It is said that Mekano Kenoforeta is no new to Ghanaian system or your former your friends finance minister. If the government of the day so she said, why you be enkoya? Just bring him to Ghana.
Okay.
And then yenyaji say the ice or my interdictino and
it has nothing to do with Ghana.
I know the.
Let me just say.
I know
exactly. That has nothing to do with Ghana.
I'm only praying
and the finance minister whatsoever.
When the NDC were speaking,
let's clear that.
It is because of one or two reasons. Yes, almost started this interdicting process. I check. Saying my year no more than badada, but what were they waiting for? Then no more change.
Okay, Kofi.
They should see this as an opportunity. No more I'm not in a medi. So fan who dear or fan ready.
Okay.
So on Timina said there some man is a book and pa. So bet you what you are so bet them to swap. Right.
Kofi Tiwoba first air communications team member for the NPP Ejumama South Ahase Friction Air Communications Director for the NDC Ejumama South Ahase Honorable Friction Kofi Asha asi on the Enyadisa why
Onyameba mada wasene akonya bema osa ade amame na easy Onyameba
okay
Ken Ofuriata issue any attitude or what display to Ghanaians no tells you say MPP for abla munya akonya be small mai no omudi omai dream pa Onyameba
papa
since 92 I started democracy ayi finance ministers be na ba obiara di ejuma di wi otan o ma we mu na akontabuo bia esese one aban foforo wa ba ne bu bia no one na bu Nyameba 1992 yewura Dr. Kosibotwi ebe serve o man wabla ya transition from the military rule ba democracy mu 92 no yewura abla ni se wene ye no ye di yewura Kosibotwi Dr. Kosibotwi ebe be ye finance minister obi ye no tena o man mu serve on so many occasions Ghana for whom sampa odi ne juma sene sefata enu no chi abra yewura kufo eba ye no appointee Richard Kwame Pepra Emma ono so ebe sumo man owi ono so etena o man mu
Friction neighbor yeah live enso ewo YouTube ahenti ya twema de so yeah live ewo YouTube YouTube no Katakyiefm TV Katakyiefm TV to which me akọ YouTube sisi ana also wa join e wo hono aside that Facebook so and also which me join Katakyi live e wo Facebook and also which me join e fresh into us.
So as I was saying, Yura Kojoba Radio so ebeto aso Kojoba Radio of blessed name and also ebedi juma. Yura ya osafuma fon so ebe ye finance minister we o tran o man we mu abe obi anya no hwe. Yura Dr. Antonio Kotose of blessed memory and so ebedi juma o ye finance minister we ye etna o man mu wa bra wa nwene anko bia enu chi Yura setepe so eba ebedi juma ebe boa o man wa bra obi anya no hwe. The ofi wa ansa na setepe gba ta Mr. Yura Dr. Kobando for and so ebedi juma we wa tena o man mu wa bra wa nwene anko hye bia Yura Amin Adam so abeto adwuma no so aba Yura ofori ata edi ekoye no enam no kase obi aba be ye finance minister e wo man mu o serve we no yese brana adwuma di ba ko menu bi a wodi ya ntia se yenya adwuma brana be ma yenkyire mu odwana kota America se me de me ma mi so man mu kra me bo akontanche obi a Visami wafa and an president.
Ken, what can so man ofuriata and case of
not everybody into my
I know you're watching it. And on records, he left this country before he came to power.
No, before we came to power. So this tells you say he was in a hurry to run away.
Run away how?
Because listen, during the transition time now, yeah, transition. On one go for and so they facilitate his exit from this country so that okobon ho job bia yenya no kra mu bu akontanche bia. Initial stages na asem bia no. O man yire actually letter to say ya wanya wakoye surgery which is wanya prostate cancer akoye surgery know within a short time no ho turn obeba ena me no ka say king of rata ho aton wa ho din
then na hu ye wan kan
because if sa be na mo issue letter say na oyare ntina bia otumi ma no since then no obi ansa issue letter say be osanya yare fufu obi ana bi fufu osan ha ntina bia o maaye
say yare kro na ne ha no
ya operation Doctor Batama Hobato, Satam Napa, who almost there 5 months in me. Me say, care of Oriata, a deliberate say, on personal contact on my. And this the attitude you should go against the political party MPP for a very, very long time. Hey, care of Oriata, on to some about my room, I'm over contact Timamu for a deed you made your man. As I said, all chances here what display go against the MPP momentary position for almost 30 years and Sanabia Ghana for me home because NYAMEBA finance minister sama bo man with the exception of Oma Abia along the line no Yakopon to Musa from mu ye no and ko akoje ba redu nko an Oma kano who to who dwane na who to kan who dwane na nyamencha de ya chi no. Now the MPP is trying to isolate the issues of Ghana from a normal American just because you people don't know what is going on. Remember,
Papa,
so what to say? Frosters be about my fraud America for and I say Europeans, you know, Umuti or Munta Pubani facility near Chisanko Fondo. So,
yeah.
Inti dia na chia wo say ye de ye ntimi nkwa America for no kan chia wo say ye so krofobia de na ba be hye musumu kro mu ha dia na that to de na kan chia say de akoso ye mu bi ye ho bo mu bi me say dia na chia wo say ye so ye ntimi nkwa kan chia Donald Trump say ya musumu ba ye mo mechi krofobia mu fi so mo defraud mo no ye so krofo to chia mo bi obetra o man yi so we gena be hye mo ayi mu aye pe na ayenya nti mo so mo na yemfa ne mra
no bearing
NYAMEBA
metiopa
extradition na ya na mo ka no lengthy process say ye ka say ye fa eno no so a it will take 2 years and sana yenya ofura ta
yes
oh please let me through you got the opportunity to say what you want to say I mean you didn't make us out me dey make any the okay difference be any was now for say enchino so what's your play was when you grad say age was when you age nature say extradition no say you can say for extradition e be take almost 2 years before say it me do for ataba but this process na America for na boy e dey na ba no e so easy ye niam permit sefata yemamu ya revoke no yesi ya ni yemamu in that case no you be refer to the country ufi Robert yemamu which is Ghana and no so is emla within the 1 month na wie na dey for ataba omamu a obe facing the charges a ye dey abon enti mo dey beba
yes ya revoke
enti mo dey revoke ni stay the woman say or I can be 2 months ama ni status na ewo America no agu and apply and then expire 2 months time expire 2 months time don't deceive yourself, don't say what you don't know. So AMANSAN will say expire 14 February and 26 February per all the information but who information be at mean tell more information between one AMANSAN Zuri who feels one am information if you make so let me feel so the time so apply say person could do
yes who information can to
that information and reliable to me mefa obi oye me feel so
fresh na you ever on see
enti no dey ka go si na say isi so otimi fan antia mo anye den enku wa ba oman ye de wa ba be sika finance ano wo de bi abo slim wa fa kwan mi su kotiri kwan mi su di abo company data bank ama mo nya sika mo hotam ye fa ho ye se wa wie blade bu akonta e kire oman ya wa dwana akotam se ka me ni ken ofori ata anasa me me MPP ni a enka meka say na mu nka mu bora mu kwa kufodo nka chense ne wo fa ase na wodwena akotena baby no on persuade upon him no omro man bu akonta because America ogusote no the more ogusote America no na say party ni di na party ni mo nyamo okofo because Ghana for e hu be shame say eh na chere mi so sa be pe ho asem na mistake koto abama mo a na mu be wie na say me bu akonta why the people say kontanama enti that is how man get here in a democracy no me make say me this ninti no je bit platform mu forever and ever ninti na multi party democracy here practicing ninti say by and by e 100 years kwa party for by dey aba take over no matter how I be bia no e me be ba na dey yakoba dey yesu no say the predecessors you mom be fa like your friend saying if you are no the alternative no and you so say looking at the posture can of rata and MPP before be air you know say next 100 years no e the 2 million mama cross like sense say who be go money we na fe do se mu go akonta na adana bo achibidi no adwa na kwakọtena obi manso na afi ne yes akobo ka court no akọtwe manso asene de waba nti na onyame de ho nti Ghana for we de ma ye na people for moment to position che because your mama konya na mebu oman a omoba edu se mebu akonta omeba tutu akwa so
Honorable Friction communications director for the NDC Atwumanwa Bieja South Ahasina Oteno enka no na anopei mefa nchama afari community canteen fo nyina na bibia so entumi enye fine pa anopei ewo honomo mepa cho tieniye pa danu betuja say yepe adwumayefo company bi epe adwumayefo na tieniye ope mema mienu 2 boys and afi 2 girls for car wash no tieniye car wash no tie and ope cleaners so emema ne ma or see the age no should be between 19 and 25 19 and 25 19 and 25 cleaners mienu ema mema car wash so ewo hono mo nti omo ba wash cars no bo nsuom ne ade no ano so mienu mema mienu ma mienu hyehyehye uchi abobo ya no abobo ya twi na wo lines sa so oka ho afi omo a enim koyo machine edi twa nsuo no wonim ho adwuma ye ano so mienu enti mo nyina mbetumi afre number 0244 6363 24 0244 6363 24 0244 636324 na bibia so atumi aye fine pa me ma o isi aka adwuma ba ko amesa de atudwa but ma me share say from about fiction o na odi aban President John Mahama 1 year on it will say
NYAMEBA so far so good kosi ya obu say oye obi bia oye NDC ni wona me so pija wabeti upija boti wabeti NYAMEBA
papa
adia obi di 8 years anya no John Mahama 1 year pe ababe achieve.
You think so?
I'm telling you. But they just wait. Don't be in a haste. NYAMEBA adia obi di 8 years a struggle so obeye no within 1 good year obi etimi bia aba achieve. NYAMEBA
yes sir.
Abra NDC yeba aban mu no adikese pa na Ghana for so your current your friend is saying your currency no CD to the dollar no ho asemi it say how can say pa ama aban da dey atwa mu yoru about me achi CD no e ko share IGP says etumu disafani eden ema IGP and so the city no manages say to block jail and at a point crown na city no drew 18 Ghana cedi to the dollar. Remember
papa
within a short time NDC we have been able to manage the cedi to the dollar appreciation. I say because this time the cedi no appreciated to the dollar now I stable and at a point na businessmen na initial no who say ade no so do no almost aba be pa you John don want say yes so ade no e san ko from the cry be den be san affect your business too much. There's a manager ade no na engineer between 10 to 12 MI e hodie e ji say Ghana phone na e ho betoye enti cedi no ahodi no agina ne na so ade a MPP for 8 years man 1 year e ba ye NYAMEBA anya onwanwa ye try ye mama we kakra ye mfi kakra ye nyan what is aban bi aba ama enoma na ne boye de na fe de enoma no say ebo no say confirm enye ya na be kasa forward de baba cross never eye de na aban bi aba all of a sudden within 1 good year yet man manage this economy to the extent say no more boy fufufu to the extent say bro nyan NYAMEBA so kuta 200 Ghana cedi na ko ejuma ubenya akoko ubenya emu asanya anwa eni jeli ni mako anoa ama o manyi biadi NYAMEBA nya onwa say 200 Ghana cedi mako abenya emu 5 kg bag no menya bi 65 Ghana cedi ato anwa bottle 5 ton 30 cedi na masanya akoko 85-95 and now omo po acho me nsa 200 akoko bonya ojo 80 cedi akoko me ejum na me yedwa na we fia na only say me trader me yedwa ojo nti ejuma some dey you come nowhere near me. I'm telling you say this bronya nkwani bronya awofo ni timamfo wato mo yedi bronya na ye senye scan beside that chief ko bronya bedu na be wi no na ka kai da fi kwa na yintimi kan ho ase eno mo bua ba from to the extent say eblo NYAMEBA umpe we na pere senye boni aye ene nya atum na se ya anya myopic na ye bi ni aka no kre yina be kasa yura John Dramani Mahama why ya there unu NDC maniku.
I see.
Remember we took inflation from 23.5 2024 you were 2025 ebesi ena me no kasa inflation is 5.4%. Are you not astonished with these figures that make catch one?
Me astonished no. And no me na bi otifie ni ba bia na me ni mo
so me catch we say you could no so this professor bi na you na course adjum no e ba dey na to stay fat no Facts are there for you to see. Do not man selective amnesia. Do not suffer from that illness.
So
just say it as it is. I
don't know what's going on.
So what as part of a normal economy now is stabilized now, and you know we for small and and everything moves smooth and you can remember your promises are in Ghana for a boy and almost Shay before say make my ha catch you say you're fulfilling your promises almost 80%. Yes, with the exception of 1 or 2 things a gusu ever in the pipeline.
Okay,
a bit is a women's development, a bit is a your friend 24-hour economy.
I don't know here.
So let me tell you something. As part of promises, and I said the social contract in Ghana for somebody 2 million. You catch them to some money. Nearby. Now go for me. First time students are not investing. You bet your fees either. Remember, you buy your tier 2 times 3. Don't say what you don't know. Your tier, I who say your tier. Remember, yes, I buy. Yes, I know about 2 years MPP4. And yet, teacher training and nursing training allowance. I realize that. No more group would dare go on. No more chair, you buy your chin in Nara. Sir, we were for ultimate in say is in the public health sector.
Yeah.
So, ultimate in your country, say, I'm your boy, allow a blue high in Chia Ubika. Remember, already. Remember, you buy a petrol. Yeah, 1 gallon of petrol, me top petrol to me petrol ball. At a point, now it make us 89 Ghana cedi. And so when a gallon of petrol, and someone to me they go. And now I can say, you could have 54 Ghana cedi cra when a gallon of petrol is. Now
people say it's as a result of the previous administration and wow. Benefiting from their fallacy. You are benefiting from their initiatives.
Concocted. The most insincere statement of the day. I'm telling you. Okay, yes, Fascina Kofi. Oh, we need to see. Yes, we will walk and Kawasai. April 8 good years. What my manage this economy? And a stable economy. I'm a why enjoy. I don't know support your creative gold board and foreign currency. And the good Bank of Ghana, MIA stabilizing your economy now. You are here saying what thing? And you know, NYAMEBA,
Mate,
may catch you. That statement, you know, the most insincere statement. I mean,
NYAMEBA medawasi. Na baby odisi no.
You might hear from us after. Better my coin dia.
Minne o man coin say
I'm going to 0594 21 28 23. You go to my friend watch your wabin 0594 21 28 23. Brand my coin dia near TSM Niako.
One minute fishing almost about 10 minutes. Maybe say almost about 10 minutes. And yet time in hear me cry. Okay. Because on can in 1 year in governance, they are not buying to me yama or my.
I don't know want.
And no more me TB pa. Okay, $1 to the CD rate, no.
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, inflation. How much? On my GFE 23.5 and I will see 5.4. On say okay say oh nana what if these are figures and I say okay count but I'm telling you say which of the goods and I say na enra a 10 and a 9 and I say 8
petrol.
So what you say which of the goods I will say me pacho let me flow. You let me flow. A rhetorical question. You are not supposed to answer those questions.
And then that's how they come.
Let me flow. Which of the goods now and also come market or making mention of and one money bag no one. I'm telling you, was it swati? If you go to the market today, a man be catch you say, a mono, fala no na yati. I'm telling you, if you are in the market, I am in the market too. I am in the market too. Let me go.
This a brilliant, you're 95 Ghana.
Let me go. Okay, let me flow. Inflation as some kind and say yet normal so your friend say a normal attitude soon and you're no cray. Nyamemba minu nyina ya tobi wa bontene. Ye didi wa bontene. Enye no cray.
Kofi.
Kenke wo your friend say ye junction high in na to kenke. Kenke classical case a omudi tia e pa na dokuno board.
Baby a open na didi.
Dokuno board.
Besi baby a open na didi.
Entina make say omu na kan dokuno board asem na make yo. And now quiet say Cocoa for omu share omu bo cocoa farmers omu share omu bo say omu di cocoa bo be free yen 3,001 na dia ko do 6,005 no cocoa bo na na say necessary midwife any teachers are ya for omu fiti 2024 before elections and in the process and almost about 11 months near how much did they pay them? Just 1 month. Teachers allowances are teachers from Chadi school allowances every September and November by the mom this year bishop teachers from I don't fiasco first can the level of unemployment and the necessary midwives are the whole of this year. Omanfa nipa bakukra, omanfa bakukra and share into the health sector. So a doctor, so a nurse, so a physician assistant, so a the omanfa bi. Nyamemba tiyo. Omu kasa omu core message in the 2024 manifesto. Nyamemba was only media dance. What was the core message of the 2024 elections manifesto of the NDC? They spoke about a 24-hour economy. Yeah, more a government promising a free SHSR. We delivered in our first time in government. In our first year, the free SHS in the back. Where is the 24-hour economy? Is in the pipeline. Where is the Women's Bank?
It is in the pipeline.
Nina is in the pipeline. And most of or catch our manu 80% of omu promises omu out of 100 or my 80%. But what they make when me anu keke, they have not been able to deliver it. In the stages are in the hour. The omu koyan say omu se kana for sanitary pads akoboyenka. Omu the gold board aba. Economy and almost say you know etima ba beti gold board. I'm a gold board need to be to gold. I'm a say I boka almost $214 million. And then
gold board na boka.
And then these are statements from the Bank of Ghana and statements from I'm coming. Right now this Eka cannot. Gold board doesn't want Sakano to sit in their books. So as Bank of Ghana.
Obianka say, gold board aboka 2 billion here. Dina Kekano.
Okay.
Mente.
You.
Maybe I bet my boy media for. But we need any evidence to that.
May say, okay, maybe me person be other platform. News file last 2 weeks. Last week and yes Saturday we are last week they discussed it's not about the platform. Nyamemba obi betima boka obi deny say wan boka e dey na chese nipa na boka na wo dey kase wa boka. That is what I'm saying say.
Okay.
This is the losses are mine gold board. Oh come on. Who did that? They say Bank of Ghana and I say why. That is what they are failing to admit of. See, the gold board and percent a cannot sit in their books. So as Ghana create 6 billion. The IMF report. Nyamemba $240 million. Read the IMF report on gold board. Of SAF 204. It was IMS and a report and MPP Pompona. You can't watch this issue of paying of a friend say school fees of first year. They have picked and choose. And no be school fees. I'm telling you,
if you want only na yanti unless you are corporate.
Be okay.
Oh, in fact,
it was so or the baba.
Right.
It's coffee. Chianamenko.
The inflation now we can want some NYAMEBA. Yes. Abantini one na for no moka. Okay. Seven and petrol or see and then 54. And I sent you a one. It is say, Reverend Chianamenko, and Chakas here, and my Team Ken. Ashanti region and Achimango Beja South. Team Ken is also Meda Brian by Meda Munina Sir Jumaso. We are hoping sir on the 31st of January 2026. Oh my name just size one up. 2026. Elections now the coach the candidate Ghana for a Juni Tuma. Yadina Bar 77. On bet Pamwa by 4 hours. Can't Mama G say I didn't throw. Hey, this NDC man. Wait. Appreciate Jacko.
We were first there. So I need to say we need to prepare. Yeah. I mean, nobody one say also Ken that but nearby me who say no odi meeting bi sounds na yera Dr. Champion Bank so now the party member baby
member of the party
and
the moment that party ni friend
say Chianamenko
then say wait ma
say query me chia me party for all the branch executives are the party your constituency mo ba me fa konyo so na me admonish ye crofo na say me BCG on them say omunya abotre na pedifo abran ho ba say enomo gu akomu a eden eba be ya na obia de sefata obia answer eden aka na 1 year de yentimi enfa enso obia enti omunya abotre ema government na government won ma bo rubio di ma ye branch executive any a party former power mo it could
okay but I say
I'm chairman of all chairman again chairman Abu Sadek and my colleague constituency executives now my official pastor.
Okay, honorable friction communication director for the NDC Reverend Empo
Yamba ye kodi na mini kanfa chairperson ko ema Katakyiefm fan club eno ananka esenka yishia na bribi etu si kwan a yentimi yishia nti yesere obi bia oye Katakyiefm fan club member se fa chayen nya boapa yesere nso se nyankopon de yankwa chen next 2 weeks de e kwesere be na wotwe nyame pa yebehia executives no mpanifo ni nyina eba ti yebesere se obi amomodin se sa danu dua yenyina ntumi hia na enye kama pa ye chia obi bia odin abre eti AMANSAN DAWURO no kanti hofo nyina me chia mo machi agogofo nyina me baba ko bi na frɛ no nyankopon hia no mama G only empress and a fe me nkwan me chia obi bia na me maame akua sewa Charlotte me chia me hokani arechichire nso nyamba me da se
okay me so me da se pa